fuck's sakes.
But most of these are pretty low. There's a couple that have like 1100, okay? But for the most part, we're looking at like 21 reviews at 50 plus bought, 8 reviews, 50 plus bought in the last month. I actually love this, like how many people are buying.
I bet she studied the actuarial tables, all right? I bet you she actually studied the fucking actuarial tables. You may be right, but that doesn't excuse anything I do. This is a funeral we're talking about, her husband's funeral. Killian laughed. You could call it a funeral if you want. To her, it's Christmas. But to do this to her on the day of her husband's funeral, practically on top of the corpse.
Fuck.
All right. Let me put it to you another way. What do you want?
The guy just lane split. Look at it, now he's popping wheelies.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Carlisle Parkway.
Strangely, they eventually pulled in into something. I'm running to the cops.
No, oh shit. Oh my god. Dude.
act like senior executives, or Google making an office that people felt like home in. It is all just a way to get a little bit more out of their staff. Now, sometimes that is absolutely necessary. On Tickler, a work environment where people want to go above and beyond is actually a good thing. A workplace where nobody knows how to behave themselves is just as miserable as an overly authoritarian.
You're gonna find. I absolutely remember that exactly the way you do.
Because it was just, you know, teeming rain. It was a bad scene. We had some Florida trips. I don't know if it was just like people in New England just go to Florida, or like maybe it was because Dad grew up going to Florida on those trips. But it was like that was like the warm weather getaway that we would do. And I remember we went to like Bahia Beach.
Yep.
That was not really
The dump. It was a dump.
I do remember.
This to me is all about DJ Lagway. They won 4 games at the end last year to finish to 8-5. DJ Lagway came in, and this dude is just, he is absolutely, he's their best quarterback since Tim Tebow. And they've got a crazy hard schedule, and you just kind of wonder, can Lagway steal a game or two himself?
The guy just lane split. Look at it, now he's popping wheelies.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Carlisle Parkway.
Straight like they eventually pulled in something. I'm running to the cops.
drive down the park. As long as it's not too busy. Whoa, that car looks fucking retarded.
This one?
Dude, what are you doing? This guy almost just fucking hit me.
Fucking no.
I was like, I couldn't turn in there. He was literally turning into the lane I was just in. If I stopped there, we would have gotten hit.
Republican or Democrat. I just think it's where we are in time right now with technology, and that it's very scary, and that you can start to see how big the tech lobby is.